Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another YouTube video for you guys today. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this blue halo smoky eye. So if you guys want to see how I achieved it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And if you guys are interested in entering our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn on your post notifications, and then comment done down below if you live in the US, because our giveaway is US only. So for today's palette, I'm using this Palm Springs palette by Too Faced. As always guys, all of the products that I'm using will be in the description box down below, but I went into the peach shade in the palette and I'm just buffing this into my crease. And I did prime using concealer and then set it with some translucent powder, but I'm just pretty much applying this directly into the crease. And then I'm picking up my angled brush and I'm picking up this orange shade right here, and we're just going to be drawing a line of definition right in the center of the crease, just going in left and right motions, drawing this line as precisely as possible. And we are going to be building some depth over top of this, but I like to slowly build color and slowly build depth. I think it's the easiest way to blend shadow. But next we're going to be picking up a bigger, fluffier tapered brush. So I'm just picking up this brush right here and I'm just going in left and right motions, first going in with that peach shade and then going into that deeper orange shade, and it just is going to give us a nice gradient, and it's just super easy to blend this way in my opinion. And then we're going to be building some depth next. So I'm picking up the same angled brush, this time going into the deeper dark brown shade, and we're just going to be applying this exactly how we applied the first one. So just going in left to right motions, and if you have hooded eyes, you can always draw this line while your eye is open to give yourself a little bit more lid space. And I would recommend starting right in the center and then doing the inner and outer part of this line. And that's just a really quick and easy tip for you guys. That's kind of the way that I did it when I first started, but now I kind of know exactly where I want to apply it. So then I'm going into an even smaller tapered brush next, and I'm just going in left to right motions once again, this time really keeping that color super low. And first I went into that orange shade and then I went into the darker brown shade just to give us even more of a gradient. Next, I'm grabbing this angled brush by Anastasia Beverly Hills and I'm picking up my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Contouring Concealer, and I'm just carving the center part of my crease and lid, and I'm also patting this concealer on the lid because I want to give myself a nice base also, but I'm kind of leaving the outer and inner corner a little bare because we're just going to be patting some translucent powder over top of that, and we are doing a halo, so we're going to be adding depth to those parts anyways. But I find that patting some translucent powder over top of that concealer is definitely a necessity. Otherwise, the concealer would blend with the shadow and it just leaves room for transfer, and we don't want any of that. So I'm going into this flat brush and I'm going into the blue shade in the palette, and I'm just patting this shade all over the center of my lid, and then with whatever's left over, just kind of doing swiping motions to blend that to the inner and outer corner. But don't worry about that too much because we're going to be blending those with the next few shades that we're going to be applying. So I just decided to pick up a black shadow. I don't remember which one I used for this specific tutorial, but you can use any black shadow in your collection. But I went in with a pencil brush and then I went into the bigger tapered brush and I went into that dark brown shadow, and I'm just doing dragging inward motions to blend it out. And then for this glitter, I went into this BH Cosmetics glitter, and this is the sapphire glitter, and I of course applied glitter glue underneath it. I used one by NYX, and then I'm just peeling off my tape. For lashes today, I'm using my Shop Sophie Bella Bora lashes. If you guys want to check out our lash company, the link will always be in the description box down below. Shout out to everybody that places an order with us. We appreciate you guys so freaking much. And then I just applied the peach shade on the lower lash line. And for mascara, I'm using my Mad Lash mascara by The Balm. And then the last step for this look, my inner corner highlight. This one is by Pop Beauty in the shade Gilded Light. And this is the finished look. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!